Hi there, this is Patrick at Sage Auto Repair. I want to address a problem that a lot of you are seeing right now, and that is when it gets really cold out, your tire pressure light comes on. All right, most vehicles now, the valve stem on the vehicle is actually a tire pressure sensor. It senses how much air pressure is in the tire and sends a signal to the dash to tell how much is in there. But what ends up happening when it gets really cold out is everything kind of condenses a little bit. It expands when it heats up, but when it gets cold, it condenses. The tire pressure is going to go down in your tires when it gets exceptionally cold out. As well as that, right around the rim, right here where the rubber meets the rim, when that condenses, any corrosion that's built up on the tire, you're going to get a small leak there. And oftentimes we see that as really prevalent when it gets super cold out. So when the tire pressure light comes on, just take and double check the tire pressure in your tires. You're going to want to take care of that. To make sure that the rolling resistance is correct, to make sure that the tire tread doesn't wear out prematurely, make sure you've got the correct tire pressure in your tires. As well as that's going to give you better traction, because the traction of the tire, the grip of the tire is going to be all on the road. And it's going to have better rolling resistance, so your fuel economy is going to be a little bit better when your tire pressures are set the way they should be. So really kind of basic stuff, but nonetheless, something very important to you when you see the tire pressure light come on, especially in cold weather. Don't think that there's always something hugely wrong with the tire. There's a nail in the tire, there's a hole in the tire. Most often not the case. Still might be, but most often not. Usually you just have to add air pressure in the tires. If you have questions, please give me a call. The telephone number at the shop is 763-789-6124. We'll be happy to take care of anything you've got. Have a great day.